Alright, today we got the ultimate mother-daughter chicken nugget showdown. The lovely Mrs. Nicole Vogler against my 12-year-old daughter Anastasia in a 20-piece chicken nugget brawl for all. The winner's going to finish her 20 chicken nuggets and her little baggie of fries. Whoever's done first, ladies. Alright, and they got $5 on the line. Okay, are we ready? I said, are we ready?
Yes.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, eat! Anastasia with a direct approach from Mom. Uh-oh, beast mode over there. You better quit laughing and start eating, little girl. Chicken nuggets falling out of her mouth. This is great. Well, you can swallow some of your chicken, you'll be alright. Look at chipmunk. You're slowing down already, that's not a good sign. Both of you. Actually, I don't think you even started stage. You're not. See if she backs up all that big talk. Why are you gonna feed me, dog? I'm judging this. I'm watching you. $5 on the line, ladies. $5. On a third container of sauce already. One more time in English. You gotta keep them down or don't count. The baby just farted in the background. Stay too polite, you're taking normal human-sized bites. Mom stuffed a whole nugget in her mouth. Am I close to done? Oh, stage, you're pay up, sucker. Mom's almost done. You better go beast mode. You guys in that sauce. Slowing you down. Slowing you down. We'll put subtitles on later. Uh-oh, Mom's own nuggets. Moving on to the fries. Probably gonna take that $5, spend on more chicken nuggets. Oh, here we go. This is gonna be good. That's so ladylike. I'm so proud of you right now. She really wants that $5. And she really wants to shut stage up. Trash. speed records today, or we'd be in trouble. Call it the shovel technique.
You're old, you got better job.
Hey, you're the one who wanted this. You're the one who put money on it. Finish it. I'm gonna show your open mouth. Nice and clean. Come on, pound it down. Give us the Randy Santel flex. Oh, you missed the fry. There's a fry behind your box. Cheating. You're cheating.
Eat all the food.
I'll let you just eat your nuggets.
Oh gosh, he's doing it!
Do not. Just get the win. Just get the win, Nicole. Show this young whippersnapper what's up.
Where are you?
He just take one nugget and run away.
God!
Open your mouth.
Wonderful.
That's what I want. That's what I married.
I get 5 cents! Yay! I won! Oh my god.
Oh, Stage, you lost.
I did this. Stop!
You owe Mom $5. Look at that. She's going on to a Frosty. But she's not in the same restaurant now. What do you gotta say for yourself there, Big Mouth? That's all on camera. Nobody cheated. You cheated yourself with your big trout. That's debatable. That is very debatable.